Okay, in this video I'm moving on to Unit 2, which is actually way easier because all of the heavy lifting was done on Unit 1. Publishing JavaScript. I've already shown you how to create the Hello World JavaScript. I'm going to open this anyway. And along the way in the last video I showed you how to create that first Hello World page. Make sure, by the way, that you do visit the JavaScript is a programming language discussion. You can click on this and then participate by creating a new forum. You should have already introduced yourself. And if you haven't, please introduce yourself. JavaScript is a programming language. Just click on this and then create a new thread. You click on Create Thread. You would put in the subject, you can put in your name, discussion, and then actually discuss the question here, and then click Submit. Simple as that. I'll scroll back to where I need to be. Use your GitHub account as a web server. I think that this video, I can tell that it was made on a Mac. If you have already followed the video to create a GitHub account, all I'm asking is for you to use it as a web server. One thing that will tell me that you understand what I mean by that is if you create a new folder and a new file. Let's do this. I'm going to visit my GitHub account at GitHub SU21. I already have a Unit 1 created. I'm going to create a new index page inside of a new folder called Unit 2. The assignment tells you, if I scroll, I don't need to scroll, actually it's all right here, 2.1, use your GitHub account, follow the directions in the video, and I think the video only gets you as far as telling you that you can create a hello world, and that then it's created onto the page. You've already done that, but I need you to do one more thing for me. So you know how to do a hello world, an index page. Easy peasy, right? In my folders, I can see that I have one already in this index file. And actually, I have another one with a JavaScript inside this Unit 1 folder. As long as you are in the Summer 21, whatever your main folder is, and you know what it is by going onto your username, finding the repository that you created exclusively for this class. If you're messy like me, I'd have to click on repository and then find that it's called Summer 21. I'll click on that. I see my files for this class here. I'm going to create a new file by adding a file, creating a new file, and then I know that I need to create a new folder called Unit02. I don't remember if it's all caps. No, it's all lowercase. I'll go back. I'll type in Unit02, then slash, and then index.html. Here, I will create a new index page, and you can follow the directions on the video if you want to do that index page again, or if you remember what we did just now, or if you even want to put in another JavaScript in there. As long as you have a Unit 2 folder with the index created, that'd be great. So here I'll go through the process again, and as a web designer you would do this so many times, it's not even funny. I'll create H1 and I'll say this is Unit 2, close the H1, angle brackets, and then do a paragraph. Hello again world, exclamation point, and close the paragraph. There's a lot of other stuff that you can add to this page. There are standard libraries out there that you can search for. Just say basic HTML page template, and W3 Schools has one. It's right here. Actually, I'm going to copy this. I like this a lot, so much better. Copy and go to my page and just paste it. So it creates it declares a document type of HTML that's got a body. My first heading, I'll replace this with Unit02, and you can put whatever text you want here. Hello again world or something. exclamation point. And then commit the new file by clicking on the green button. And that's it. I'm going to go and find my file. I know that my settings tell me, if I go to Pages, that my file has been published here. Your site is ready to be published here. I'll click there. I have Hello World, Summer 21, etc. But I know that I just created an index page inside a folder called UNIT02. So I'll just go and type in UNIT02 at the end of Summer 21, press enter, and here is my misspelled UNIT02G, Hello Again World. But at any rate, this is the file that I want. I'll view the page source. I can go back in there and correct that. It's on the web. This URL, I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to copy it. Control-C copies it. I'm going to go back to my 02.1 user GitHub account as a web server. I can't turn it in, but you can by sliding down to assignment submission, write submission, press Control-V as in Victor, and here's the link. Click submit and I will grade that.